Friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to underline text in Google Docs. Now, once you're inside of Google Docs, if you want to underline any text, it could even be a paragraph, doesn't matter, whatever you want to underline, simply highlight that text and you will look here from the options here at the top on the format section here you have underline. It's the U. You can simply click on that and it's going to underline the text for you. You can also go ahead and press Ctrl plus U on your keyboard and it's going to underline the text for you. Right, you also have the underline feature as well as the underline option from the menu option as well. Under format, you can go to text and you have the underline there as well. You can basically click it from there as well. Now, in case you want to highlight the entire paragraph, all you have to do is just simply highlight the entire paragraph and press the U or Control U on your keyboard, and it's going to underline the text there for you. And that's all you have to do, guys. Very easy and very simple.